Hello, welcome to our new tutorial series, Library Crash Course, where we teach our users how to maximize their use of Houston Cole Library while working remotely from home. In this episode, we will demonstrate how to access ebooks. Let's get started. Houston Cole Library has access to thousands of ebooks on various subjects. To access those ebooks, you're going to want to be on the library's homepage. You can get there through a Google search or by our direct URL, which is jsu.edu/library. That's jsu.edu/library. Once you're on the page, we're going to scroll down to the middle. We're going to pass Search Library Resources and stop when we see a set of drop-down lists. Here, under the Resources drop-down list, we're going to be using this search box right here. Now, this search box searches our A to Z database list. Our A to Z database list holds all of the various databases that Houston Cole Library has access to. We'll cover that page in more detail in another tutorial. But for now, in the search box, just type in ebook, then click search. You're taken to the A to Z database search results page, and the very first two that we see in our search results are going to be Ebook Central and EBSCOhost ebook collection. These two platforms are some of the best ways to access all of our various ebooks. They hold thousands of different ebooks on various content. The one we're going to focus on today is going to be Ebook Central. To access either, just hover over the title and click. Now, I was taken directly into the database, but for some of you, you may have another page that pops up, which will be the My JSU sign-on. In order to access the database, when our users are off campus, we ask them to type in their MyJSU username and password just to make sure that they have access. I had already done that, so that's why I was taken directly into the database. Once you're here, just type in whatever subject you would like. I'm going to search for cats. I'm going to type in just this one topic, but feel free to add in a couple of other search terms along with your main one in order to narrow your search. Once you're done, just click search. And here you'll see on the new page all of the search results that deal with your topic. If you find that your search results are perhaps a little too large, this would be the time to add in some of those other search terms to help narrow, or feel free to use the left side limiters over here, like year published, subject, or language, to get to the resource that you need. And that's it. That's how you access our ebooks. If you find yourself needing any extra help, don't worry. Just contact us directly through our virtual chat, our email, or our text. And if you need specialized subject help for your major, just contact one of your friendly librarians and we'll be glad to help you. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.